come here and get the ticket on spot.
Looking like there is no transportation properly. This is the cheapest store we have seen in Thailand. Everything 10 baht. Inspiration.
Indiana. I
Huh?
like movie Indiana.
You love Indian movies?
Yeah, Gangubai.
Gangubai. Oh.
You watch the movie? Yes, movie. Have a Thai language. Gangubai is very good. Enjoy. Oh.
Now the time is 8:30. Everything is closed. Good morning, the Voyagers fam. Welcome back to our channel. And how are you all doing? Let me know in the comment section below. Today is yet another day in exploring Thailand. Today we are in Phuket. From here we are going to go to Krabi. Just now we gave our bike back. If you want the bike details where I took the rent and all, just let me know. I will share you the location. It's called the Simon Motorbike Shop, which is near the Patong Blue Hotel. It costs around 200 baht per day. And we are just waiting for the smart bus. We have inquired that whether the bus will stop here or not. They said the bus will stop here only. So we're just waiting. Just nearby we got some 7-Eleven, our daily breakfast, lunch and dinner. And from here we are going to get the smart bus and go to the Phuket Bus Terminal 1. From there we will go to Krabi. I will show you all the details from there how to go to Krabi. So stay tuned. So guys, we have reached the bus terminal. From here we will get the Krabi buses. We need to buy the ticket. Here is the ticket counter. We are going there. I will update you how much price it is there. Krabi.
Krabi. Yeah. Yes.
How much for one person?
How much for one person?
160 baht. For one person into 160 baht. 920 is the bus. We got our tickets. It costed 160 baht per person. And we have to wait at the platform number 5.
I think already
And
there.
no one is accepting the cards here. You have to carry cashes only.
Enough cash is very helpful.
Carry enough cash because no one is accepting
And charges
cards.
are huge.
And charges are huge. ATM is cutting charge and bank also will cut the charge. And even if you use card, there is 3% charges also. I think this one. Phuket to Krabi. It's like a seater, 13-seater bus.
Yeah, mini bus.
Mini bus.
Don't book it in 12 go.
How much it is showing in the 12 go?
700 or 800 it is showing Indian rupees. Which is for one person I'm saying. For minivan it is showing 1200 rupees. So don't book it. You will get it. You come here and get the ticket on spot.
Buying the tickets here is much more cheaper than buying it online. So if you are planning for a budget travel, you come here and book everything. Hey guys, after 4 hours of journey, we have reached Krabi, and this is the bus terminal. The bus have dropped us there. We entered, and then tomorrow we are heading to the Hatyai. So there are counters here. In this counter we came, and the bus timings are 8, 9, 10. Here also card is not accepted. 7 o'clock bus is not there. And per person it is costing 260 baht, and we are taking 2 tickets tomorrow 8 o'clock. And from here we will take either motorcycle or else we will take some cab and we will reach the hotel, and I'll show you guys how the hotel is. Let's go. From here we need to go to hotel, but looking like there is no transportation properly. We will ask him how if he goes. Where to go?
Krabi town.
Let us go and ask him. No one is there here. Grabs are huge costly, so much costly the grab is. Small distances they are asking 200, 250
No,
baht.
200, 500 grab.
500?
From here
500
4
baht.
kilometer.
Just 4 kilometers from here the grab is.
Krabi, not Krabi. Krabi town is different. Krabi Aonang is different.
We got one tuk-tuk which will go to Krabi town. And she was saying, well, for us, like us only, she also want to Krabi town. And they are saying 50 baht. We need to go to the center. We are going to City Hotel, that also he knows. Let's go. This is our tuk-tuk. Guys, we have reached the hotel. We have said the hotel name, he have directly bought. Here I think people know the hotel names more.
This is the center of this area.
Everything is night market. We are staying just in the middle of that. Maybe he knows because of that. We just came to the City Hotel and this is the lobby of that. We have to see how the room is. This one. Open the key. This is how the room is. It's pretty neat. So much big bed they gave. They have a mirror, hair dryer, TV. Let me show the washroom. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's worth it. How much it costed for one night? It's a pretty good room. I think it costed around
3,000.
Oh, they gave a place to keep the luggages and the clothes as well. Staff behavior is good. Smoking is not allowed inside the room. The fine is 2,000 baht. So be careful. Yeah. So the room costs 1,600 and for that the room is pretty good. Per night it is 1,600. You can stay here if you ever come to Krabi town. This hotel is definitely a recommendation. We'll get ready and then we'll go out and explore the Krabi town. Let's go. We came out and something we got local plaza, Krabi walking street shortcut. We are going inside that. So many beaches we have seen, so we don't want to go to Aonang beach anymore. And we have only one day here. So we will just explore the local Krabi town and then from here only we will head to the Malaysia. And here the milk tea is so much cheap. I don't know about the items yet. As for the outside, the crocs are cheaper, that I can say. But other items, how much they are taking, we are not sure. We will explore this place more. Maybe this is the cheapest store we have seen in Thailand. Everything 10 baht. ID cards are there, some brushes are there. Hair bands. There are few stuffs. General fancy and stationery stuffs. Even here also it's there. There are cute pens. Oh my god, so cute these are. In the Krabi town, it's a definitely must visit place. 10 baht place. We didn't got this anywhere I think. We haven't seen in the Phuket, we haven't seen in Bangkok. Let's go. We just got fresh up and just opposite to the hotel only we got some food market. Food is pretty cheap and we took some salad and spring rolls. Yes, vegetarian spring rolls are available here and we took that. We will eat and then we'll explore the market. Let's go. Food is pretty good. You can definitely try here. I don't eat vegetables at all usually, but I completely ate the salad alone. So you can definitely try here. Actually the plan is to eat some Indian food, but we couldn't find a single Indian restaurant inside Krabi town. Indian restaurant, let it be Indians also, we are unable to see anywhere. So many foreigners are there, but I don't know why Indians are not there. Actually mostly I have seen that whoever came in the bus stand, they are directly going to Aonang beach only. So I think I am suspecting that mostly Indians will be there itself, and so many Indian restaurants are there. I mean, if you want some Indian food here, then you have to stay near the Aonang beach only. If you want to try Thai food, you have so many options here. So yeah, we will explore this market, we will go out, we will roam a little bit. Today is complete relaxation for us. We don't have any so much of stringent plan, we should go there and all. We will just roam around and yeah, I will show you around guys. We took some jelly. He said it's Thailand jelly. Eat and say how it is. How is it? She didn't like it. If it's coming to my hand, that means she didn't like it at all. Let me eat. Hold it, camera. Why? It's not good. It's not sweet. It's kind of a salty texture is there.
Taste का spoil होएगा ना हमारा.
We didn't like it. All the salad taste got wasted.
Okay.
After all these days, we are left with 150 baht. So we came here to exchange ringgits. We have 250 ringgits. So we are changing 150 around, which is per ringgit they are giving 7.5 baht. We have such 2-3 places. The same price is going on. Here is 7.5, but you have to do exchange of minimum 50. Then only they will give 7.5. Yeah, 150 do it.
What? 150. Yes.
How much they are giving? 1125. There for 150 ringgit they are giving 1125 baht. And you can change the USD also, but for the USD $1 to $2 they'll give 28, and $5 to $20 they'll give 32 per dollar. So hey guys, we are back on street again. After that we went to, after exchanging the note, we explored the city a bit, and we went to the room and we slept, and still my face is sleepy. My brain is still sleeping. I'm unable to process anything, so I said her to bring some coffee. She's inside the 7-Eleven. We are so much tired, and mind is so much tired, body is so much tired. Tomorrow we have a travel also. So yeah, that's the update. We will go around, we will see the nightlife of the Krabi. Let's go inside the city, and let's go inside the town and we will explore. That was sleepy I am. I am calling the Krabi as city. Let's go. After having a coffee, we just came for a walk. We have reached the Paknam river. This is just walkable distance from our hotel, and it's looking very pretty. We have seen some shopping market kind of that side. We are just walking. We don't have anything else to do. So yeah, let's go there. We thought it is a market, but turned out it is some restaurant. But very peaceful. If you want a laid back vacation days when you come to Thailand, you can definitely include Krabi in your list. Look at this beautiful place. Here people are just bringing beer, sitting on these tables and then drinking. They are enjoying the view. This is the park. They decorate the town so good. Look at those decorations of the signal. Santa Claus sitting on top of the signals. And look at the way they have decorated the streets. I think these Christmas and New Year decorations. They still kept it like that. So much pretty place this is. And peaceful. Very peaceful place. Literally now the time is 8:30. Everything is closed. Except for this city night market. This also will close at 11 p.m. It is written in here. Everything else is closed. Already they are packing it. They are already packing the stuff. Now the time is 8:30 only. So if you are planning for some nightlife kind of experience, then don't plan Krabi. If you plan Krabi, you have to stay in Aonang maybe, because their nightlife is more better due to the beach area. And here there is nothing inside the Krabi town. As per our experience, we are not finding anything. Yeah, very peaceful. If you want a peaceful laid-back vacation, then definitely you have to include this Krabi.
The cafes and all,
Everything is closed. We thought of drinking some pastries or something. Dunkin' Donuts, that also got closed. Some Thai milk tea we thought of eating, that got closed. 7-Eleven 24 hours, that's why it stay open. And this also they are packing stuffs and all.
let's go.
We will just
Close, we will eat something.
we will just eat something here and then we will go to room. That's the plan. We will take some rest.
We have a very big journey.
Whole day journey that is. I think it will be exciting. Let's go eat some stuff and go to room.
day.
Last day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Morning we are going.
First time, sorry.
Yes,
Yeah.
first time.
Wow, you like traveling?
Yeah, I love
We
it.
loved it.
So much peaceful.
Yes.
Very peaceful town.
We wanted to stay in a peaceful area after Phuket and all.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
สวัสดีค่ะ
This is our food for today. The combo set, the medium one. Which includes French
I
fries.
like India na. I
Huh?
like movie India na.
You love Indian movies?
Yeah, Gangubai.
Gangubai. Oh.
You watched the movie?
Yes, movie have a Thai language. Gangubai is very good. Enjoy.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice, nice.
Very nice.
Indians come here?
Yes. I work. I like. I can look in picture. Mumbai, New
Okay.
Delhi.
New Delhi, okay.
Yeah, beautiful.
You ever went to India?
Yes.
You went?
Very like
Huh?
You went to India?
Did you went to India anytime?
went to India.
You went?
No, I not go. Yes. It's very nice.
Okay.
Come then.
And the food India, gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun.
It's really so weird, madam. What is so weird? I tried. Nice.
Nice.
Did you try any other food?
Food. Bun and green. Water green inside and water yellow inside and the bun and the fry.
Water.
Food, India. Yes.
Indian fruit.
Indian food. This reminds of my phone for me. Where? Just outside.
She loves Indian food and India.
Did you like Indian any chicken curry and all?
Chicken curry, yes. Chicken curry and roti.
Roti,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Did you
Yes.
like it?
Delivery, right?
She have tried chicken curry and roti also. She loved it.
Yes, ready na. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Dhanyawad. Thank you.
สวัสดีค่ะ
People are so good here. I don't understand, like few people faced bad experiences in Thailand, but we haven't faced any bad experience. They love Indians. They talk so much good with Indians. Even she watched Gangubai movie. Can you imagine in a remote town like Krabi in Thailand, they were watching the Indian movies and they are liking it actually. She was mentioning how much she loved the Gangubai movie, and she have tried Indian food also. I don't understand. Maybe how is it? The food? I'm also gonna eat and let's explore this place a bit.
Otherwise you will not get it.
Yeah, if I don't eat it, I'll not get it. Already, she eats so much fast. Okay, let's go. We came back to the hotel in the Krabi, and our experience in the Krabi is fantastic. If you want to have a leisure vacation and if you want to have some laid back time, leisure time, then only come to Krabi town. And if you want some nightlife kind of thing near the Krabi, then you have to go to Aonang beach itself, because here you are not getting the nightlife which you expect like in Phuket or Pattaya. So this is our suggestion, and it's very hard to say goodbye to Thailand tomorrow. Tomorrow we are leaving from Thailand and going to Malaysia on road. So next video is going to be very exciting, and we will share all the details how to go on road from Thailand to Malaysia. So stay tuned for that video and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.